Hi everyone, it's Judy. Welcome back to Rose Lane. Well, this is going to be just a little video. It's an unboxing. I'm trying to push some things back here, sorry. It's an unboxing for my creative studio. Not sure which one it was. It should tell me. I slit the tape, but I haven't opened the box yet, and I'm a little overdue for this because of my issues with my back and not getting around to be doing some of these videos. So it's just the prettiest cards. This says, "A flower blossoms for its own joy" by Oscar Wilde. It's a little hard to read, but what a beautiful little card. I'll be saving that. Yes, I will. Okay, so that's your creative studio right there. I don't know if you can see that in here. I'm trying to keep us in frame. Yeah, let me put the box down here. And let me try. I'm going to use her scissors that I got. Cut the seal a little bit and try to preserve the paper some. Okay. So let's see what we have here. So this is going to be a floral one. Okay. Oh, aren't these pretty? These, I know you're probably getting a lot of glare, but these are actually, I believe these are actually dried flowers. They're not actually dried flowers. They're stickers that look like, really like dried flowers. This is really quite lovely. All right, I'm just kind of putting things out on either side here. Some stamps. Okay. I gotta stop. Oh my gosh, look at these. Isn't that, oh golly. All right, here. Let's get the paper down here. Let's work on getting some of the plastic off of these things. So we'll start on the bigger things. See what we have. My desk is really full of all kinds of stuff right now because it started so many things, and then I took a bit of a hiatus somewhat, partly because of back pain and oh my, and partly because, maybe because of the pain, I just wasn't feeling very creative. This is a beautiful, let me see, can you see how pretty? What a pretty card. I mean, you know, you could do something with that, right? That's awesome. Okay, I gotta save the bag because I'm gonna try to get it back in. So we have these in vellum. Is this all vellum? Let's see. No, there's some paper. This is paper. No, actually, this is sticker paper. So we have sticker paper in all of these. I want to make sure I kind of keep them up so that I'm in frame. How beautiful. I don't know, guys. I think maybe we'll be needing to make a little something. I'm in my ratty sweater, so please excuse the rattiness of it, but it's cold in the basement. Okay, so that's paper, like a sticker paper. This is just regular paper, like for collaging. So I feel like there's another one here. There is. So these are the same designs, just on 3 types of paper. Okay, look at how lovely. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay, oh, maybe 4 types of paper. Now this is I know you probably can't see it, but it's heavier and it's a little textured on this one. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then vellum. How pretty. Oh my. The thoughts are just going through my head. It's just going through my head. Okay. All right, let's put that back down there. So here's the vellum ones, which may look a little, you know, double exposure a little bit because I'm holding them over other things. How lovely. Goodness, that is gorgeous. My chair is rolling around all over the place. I still am having back issues, guys, and I appreciate any positive thought that you might have for me, because I'm waiting on a neurosurgeon to call. Actually, they did call, but they called to say that they need more testing. So I'm going to meet them to get the prescription for more testing and then go have more testing, which I guess is going to be an MRI, and I'm stuck. You know what? I'm going to leave this. Let's just put this to the side for right now. I'm going to put it back in the bags. And then these are rub-on transfer stickers. Now, I've never used rub-on transfer stickers. Used other stickers, not too often, but I'm working on trying to use more of them. I think here's one of the little tool that you use to rub it with, to rub them on with. I was never a fan of the, and this one is pretty too. I was never a fan of the, just trying to put the packaging over this way. Shiny stickers. It just, you know, they looked a little too plasticky to me. So I like the washi stickers, but they were expensive, and I just, you know, but I'm going to be trying to do a little bit more with stickers. These are just incredibly lovely. These are, wow. Just wow. This is really nice. Beautiful, beautiful stickers. So we're loving that one. Okay, let's see over here, some like tissue. It says masking tape is what it says, but I think it means like maybe a masking paper or something, but it feels like a tissue grade. Honestly, I don't know how they get things into bags without getting stuck on all this glue, unless they add the glue after they got it in the bag. So yeah, this is like a tissue. Trying to see if they're different. They're from the same thing. They're not identical, I don't think. Maybe so. Maybe they are. Yes. Yes, yes. They are identical. So these pretty squares, I would say, what, 5 by 5 or so? Might be a little bit off. Maybe not quite square, but about. So let's put that over here. I'm trying to pile them up with the wrappings, and package of lace there. Sorry, I just hit that. Okay, so we saw this one. I don't have to take this one out because it's on the paper like this. These pretty black and white stickers. So we have that. And then in this one, excited, so excited. This is another pad. It says Time Flies series. It's Bill Collection. Okay. So they're like small invoices. Very pretty. Nice tag sizes. So that gives you an idea there. Really nice. Okay. Put this on this side. And let's see over here what we have in this one. Okay. Oh, these bags are going to stick together. Okay, let's see if I can, yeah. I probably won't be able to get it back on, but it's a little bit of twine here. There we go. So these are, I think they're stickers. I believe they're stickers. So there's some numbers here. It says memo pad, and then these numbers on them. So they're gold and dark brown and a reddish brown, gray. So some different colors with those, and then some small little sort of receipts. These are all blank, but these are cute. This one's pretty. I like that one. And this is just paper. So that's that. Then there's these memo note paper pad. So these appear to be all different. Yep. They each have a different type of product on it. And then, okay, there's these. Paper's gorgeous. Look at these. Oh my, 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 my. How beautiful. These are from old antique manuscript book pages. This one's upside down. How lovely. Oh my. The colors are just so pretty, and I love calligraphy, so I'm looking at all these different lettering styles, and the penmanship, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look at the firefly. I've been saying that all the time. The dragonfly. How pretty. I'm actually doing a journal now, and I'm using a lot of dragonflies in it. Ooh, and some handmade paper. This one is. This one, I don't know if it's handmade, but it's definitely textured. It's kind of indented on the one side and then linen-y look on the other. So yeah, that's really pretty. And then there's this one, which is a handmade paper as well. This is an awesome color, kind of a corally salmon color. That's really pretty. Really pretty. All right, let's get these guys back up. Try to slide this back. I'm not going to attempt the string. We could be here all night. Okay. My husband is threatening to get me a new sweater. If you think this looks pathetic, you should see the rest of it. It's frightening. All right, let me see. Get these little scissors. See if I can snip this across. I'm trying not to, well, it's a heck of a sticker, I'll tell you that. I did cut part of the thing off, but I think I could probably still use it. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, we've got a couple of cling stamps here. I'm going to take the plastic off. Not sure if you can see them. Even with the plastic off of them, they're pretty shiny. But let me bring them up. They're florals. Try to bring them up on my hands and see if I can get them where there is no glare. So I have to tip my hand sideways. Otherwise you catch the light. So that's really pretty. Little tiny tinies. Okay. So let me put them back in here just so that they don't get lost in my mess. All right. Let's see what we have here. I'll try again with another pair. Oh, not those. I have more scissors. Oh my gosh. It's incredible, the scissors I have. I can do so many things with the scissors I have. Okay, so this is more cling stamps. This, oh, it's a tiny picture of it, but how pretty. I'm gonna take off the plastic here and bring this up, and maybe you can see that with the frame with this pretty floral kind of coming down. How pretty that is. Oh, so excited. So excited. All right. Okay. These are some more cards. This says Land of All Things. That's what it says. Okay, let's see here. So these are different sizes of cards. Let me take the bag. Put it that way. So these are different types of kind of nature cards in different color papers. Well, these were the same. So there seems to be about 2 of each, it would seem. So there's all kinds. This is grass and sheep in spring. It's hard to see it, but it is in there. It's very pretty. Here's airmail, the dragonfly on it. And again, most of these that I'm pulling out, there's 2. So they're very nice. They all look like they're stitched in some way, either cross stitching or kind of a corded or a zigzag or a double straight stitch. So it's kind of like a blanket stitch look. So that looks, it's really nice. Gives that extra, yeah, there's 2 of those. That extra little something to it. So that's those. Okay, let's go from this side first. I'm gonna just stick that here so I can, because I'm excited about doing these things kind of last. This one didn't help me, did it? So let me, that scissor didn't help me doing this. So, okay. So that's that. This is a pretty washi. Let me see if I can find the end. There we go. It's actually easily seen on this one. So it's a green and blue. It's sort of like a stylized rose in blue. Try to bring it up so you can see that. Get really close with the green stems. Very pretty. Probably have it upside down. Not really. It goes both ways. Okay. There's no right side up for this one. Okay, I'm gonna leave this over here because I'm thinking if I have enough minutes here, let me try to put something together, a tag or 2, with some of what we have here. Oops, there's a little bit of dried baby's breath here. It's falling apart, but it was pretty. If I leave it in the package, maybe I can, you know, not put it back together, but if I glued it onto something, I could, you know, just glue the little bits that came off. I can glue them back, you know, once I place it down. That's a possibility. There we go. Okay, we're gonna just leave that in there like that. I'm gonna put that over here. So look at these cute little things. A little girl with a pony under the moon. These are like vellum. I love this. August. This says Wednesday or wed, either way, I guess. The cloud, I bring fresh showers for thirsting flowers. Isn't that pretty? Get this old piece. I'm hoping you can see these. If I'm not sure if you can see what I'm looking at. You know what? I'm gonna just move this camera down a little bit. This is my phone, so kind of hard to adjust it, but all right, let me just, okay, try to do that. So maybe you can see these a little bit better, a little bit closer. Okay, I'm trying to look at them. So this is the August one. Very pretty. And then this like painter's palette. Okay. And this says fresh, looks like 1865 with a little girl and a bunny. And then September 12, happy day, it says. Midnight streets I hear, I wander through each chartered street. It says William Wordsworth, London 1802. That's very neat. These are nice labels in the blue. There's 2 of them as well. Little calendars. That's interesting. Yeah. There's just 2 of those as well. Oop, found another piece of the flower. Let me put that over here. Okay. This says, streams full of stars like skies at night. Isn't that a pretty thought? Okay. I can kind of see in the phone now, so month 2 and memo, I think it says. Another type of calendar. And a list. So very nice, very nice. Try to put the smaller things near the front if I can. Okay. All right, let me just put that to the side. Right there. All right, we'll go to this one. Let's see what this one is. Okay, these are really, get them out of the plastic, but they're really, really pretty. Now they are stickers. No, let me see, can you see that? Yeah. But of course, when I turn it, you can see that it's shiny. So, but they are, they're stickers. It doesn't say. They would have to be glued on because there's no sticker back on it. So now I'm wondering if maybe these aren't a type of rub-on as well. I'll have to see, because usually there's a paper to pull off the back, but this has just got the flower imprint on the back. So that's interesting. Don't know about that. I'm gonna get a quick tissue and dab my nose because it's cold. All right, so here comes more of these little, now these are just paper. Well, this one might be a sticker. But it feels like different types of paper. Norwalk, Connecticut. I know Norwalk. I think you can see all these tiny little things. Little apothecary type stickers. This is probably like a miniaturized postcard. Also, I believe on sticker paper. This is part of a ticket on sticker paper. This is also sticker paper. Another type of ticket. This feels like sticker as well. A map here, the United States. And this is just regular paper, but how pretty is that, huh? Very pretty. Okay. Don't want to linger too long. I'm staring at things. Okay, so let me put that over there. I'm going to put these back in here. Actually, I don't want to put them back in here yet, right? I'm running out of room for piling up my stuff. Okay, and then this one just is original T&T sticker pack. 40 pieces. It says sticker, but I don't know. It looks a lot like the other one, and I don't see. It's very slippery. I don't see a way to peel the back off, so I'm not sure. I'm trying to get these other ones out of here and not get them stuck on the tape. Okay, put that back over here. Okay, so they really, really look like dried pressed flowers, but I don't feel a way to separate them. So I don't know. I'll have to look at those, but let me spread these out so you can get an idea about how pretty they are. There's duplicates, of course, but how pretty. I mean, there's a ton of them in here. There's 40, so I'm guessing there's like 20 styles. I'll probably have to move the camera back up again. But look at how real. I'm hoping you can see that. It's not too dark. How real they look. Just truly, truly lovely. I am going to have to try to experiment with these off camera though, because I don't want to mangle them up on camera if I'm doing something wrong. But figure out the best way to use them. I'm probably running out of room here for these things. They're truly lovely. And they look so, so real. That's just amazing. Okay, I don't know. Did I get everybody in? Now see, they are stickers. This one, okay, very tricky. But this one got caught on the other one. Right here. Of course, now I can't get it to come apart again, but I can see that it does come apart. There it is. Right there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it does come apart. So how lovely. Just lovely. I don't know where I got this one from. Maybe there's two of them here. I don't know. All right, but anyway, so that's all those lovelinesses. So, so pretty. Okay, so let's see if I raise my camera back up, have some patience while I raise this up again. Okay, because I'm going to try to put other things around these beautiful, beautiful flowers. And this is crooked, so let me try to straighten it some. Okay, so I'm gonna put the stamps with the red side up. I have these guys here with, I'm gonna knock into something, all of that. There were these couple of stickers from the other package, but they're pretty much the same. Okay, here's these stickers and these lovely stamps. I'm gonna stand up to see if I can try to get everything in the picture because they're so lovely. Okay, so then we have, whoops. Okay, I'm gonna run out of room. Okay, we have these and all of these cute little guys. And then there's this, put that over there. And these stickers, put that down there. And this beautiful paper. My goodness, I have no room. This beautiful paper. These incredible rub-ons. I probably just hit the camera again. I do apologize. But we have these as well. I'm gonna have to put it over some other things. And then all of this beautiful paper as well. Let me I'll just kind of put it off there. Goodness, I just fills the camera. But that is this beautiful kit. This was, I don't think the box had a date. So I want to say it was, yeah, it has a number. I want to say it was either the January or February kit. I will post the right name in the description box when I get a moment to put all this stuff up. But oh my, this is just gorgeous. So let's say we try our hand at something here. Let's see, something just quick. We don't have to do anything overly fancy, but just a little quick something with it. Okay, trying to clean this. I'm going to take these guys and kind of just collect them. I think I'm just going to do a simple something. I'll use a piece of my card. I'm going to tuck these under here. I'm going to try to do this on this without removing the bit here, the lace. And let's see what I can do. All right, so I am liking just something pretty. Put that over there. Let's get a piece of card up here. And what do we say to this? Gosh, that's almost perfect, isn't it? Look at that. It's a big journal card though, don't you think? What's my measurement here? Try to find a ruler without disturbing everything. I've got tons and tons of stuff on my desk. So this is about 4 3/4, just a little shy. And this is about 8 1/4, or just a little over, because my ruler is 8 inches. So that's not so bad. That's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this down with the, I'm so excited about using these. I don't know what to do first. Yes, they're beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this down with our, let me turn this over because I got some other stuff on here. Yeah, I'll back this with something else because this is not very heavy. Okay, I've got to find better places to put my gluey things. Trying to see if one side is darker than the other. I kind of like it going the other way. So, all right, we'll go ahead and do this. We'll try to, I think I've been having a little bit of trouble with my glue bottle lately, and I think honestly, I mean, it could be my hands, but I think honestly it's because it's so cold. There's one vent in this part of the basement for the air conditioning, and I have it closed, and still I am freezing down here. But if I turn the air conditioning to be warmer, so I'm warmer down here, it's not worth having on upstairs because it's not cooling anything. So, well, at least not enough. So, yeah. So this, you're gonna see some of these lines, I'm sure, through the vellum. I'll try to spread the glue out as best as I can, but it will dry, and we shouldn't have too much trouble in the future. So yeah, so I'm thinking the trouble I'm having with the glue coming out, it seems to be a little on the stubborn side. I've been cleaning the nozzle and cleaning the nozzle and cleaning the nozzle, and it just, I'm not getting anything out of it, you know, like something that's got it all stuck in there, but I'm having a hard time getting it to come out. So where am I gonna put the glue? I think I'm gonna have to slide one of these out because I really can't press anything down. I'm just gonna put this down, and however big the card is, I'll try to slide this, and I will trim what needs to be trimmed. So, needs to go over. This needs to go over. It would be easier if I didn't have this lace on my table. Let me grab this little guy to give me a little place to work. So it gives me a harder spot. You know what I mean? All right, now I'm gonna try to locate my foam folder. And then once this is down, I will put it on my trimmer and trim it up. But for right now, I'm trying to decide if I want to go, you know, do the decorating on it first and then go back and trim because the glue's still kind of wet. Or if I want to just trim and have it over with. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's move these fellas to the side. These guys to the side. I can use, that trimmer doesn't like to trim when the glue is wet, so let's try this guy. It's big, but efficient. Okay. Put this over here, and let's just trim my edges. This one does better if there's glue. And I'm probably shaking the table. This actually, I think I'll go over this edge just a little bit. I'm probably shaking the table, and I do apologize because I'll try to go slower. Maybe I won't shake the table so much. Okay. And okay, that's that piece. And now this piece here, I don't mind making it a little narrower because most of my books are, I can't do much more than like 4.5 inches and feel comfortable. So, okay. So I'll put that back here. Let's bring our little board back. Okay. And then let's see what we think. What do we think? Now I gotta take my sweater off because I'm hot. My hands are freezing, but I'm hot. I have I'm trying to decide. I've got a bunch of lace bits over here, but what do I have on this? I think I like this one. This was Plum Boutique laces that I had bought. Okay, so I like that. I have some lace over here that I also like. Let me get this one out. So what do I think? I'm looking at these lovely these pretty pieces, and I'm wondering, do I want to try to put some of the cards around it? Go up there. This, I'm not sure. This is kind of bigger than I would have wanted. The colors go so well. All right, let's see. I'm trying to decide what I want to use. What do I think here? That's got the purples in it. All right, let's have a look at that one. And then, oh, where's that little, find that little paddle. We're rubbing my stickers on. You think I can find it now? Of course not. I had it over here, but you know what? I'll use my bone folder. Hopefully that'll work. Oh, my, I'm just I'm so excited about this. I don't know what to use first. Oh. I'm trying to find something. Oh, here's my little paddle. I'm trying to find something that I can, that's small enough. What is this? I'm trying to find something that's small enough to fit. Ooh, I like the blue. All right, let's, oh no, how about that one? That one's nice. We like that one. Okay, so I think what I want to do, I have never used rub-ons before, so let's see. Try to see what I think here. This one I kind of like that one. I think we're going to go this way. Okay, so bear with me, guys, because I've not used these before. And I could be doing this wrong. I have no clue. Alrighty, here we go. All right. All right. Backing off here. I think I don't think it really matters. It goes one way on one thing and another way on the other. So let's go ahead. Let me pick this up. Make sure I more or less have it. Now what do I do with my paddle? There it is. Okay. Let's see if I've done this wrong. I don't appear to be rubbing a picture off on this side, you know, scraping it off the plastic. So don't want to miss anything either. I'm probably going over some of it twice just because I can't remember if I've been there. Okay. Let's see these fellas in the middle. All right, just the last round here. This is so pretty. So pretty. All right, let's see. Let's see. Did I do it right? I don't want to pull it off too fast because see, there's a spot I didn't get. Okay. Just in case I didn't get a spot, I don't want to pull it off too quickly. Okay. Oh, this is so exciting for me. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Love it. Okay, where's that sticker? All right, and let's gotta find I'm gonna use you. I gotta find what I've done under these. There we go. My vintage photo over here. Everything is under this lace. All right, so let's do a little vintage photo on this one. So let me do it off camera so that I don't get those little brown specks from the sponge. There's a little bit of a, there we go. All right, I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna put some of these other flowers around. Golly, this is pretty. Then I gotta decide where I'm gonna put that ribbon. I mean, the lace and stuff. That should be interesting. Clean my nozzle. Okay. So, oh, I am excited about rub-on stickers. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm liking them very much. Because I love the stickers, you know, because you can get some beautifully delicate and intricate designs, but it isn't possible to fussy cut them so that they don't leave a border. So, you know, sometimes you just sort of shy away a little bit. Just holding it up so I can see if it's straight. Okay. Down the middle first. Okay. All right, then I think, what do I think? What do I think? My goodness. All right, I like that one. All right. Oh my, my, my. This is fun. I'm just having a grand time with this. Okay. So let's go ahead and peel this. Just had it too. I felt it come apart. There it is. Okay. And I think I like that paddle. There it is. Okay, now I want to make sure I get this because I'm going over a bump here. I don't want to lose any of it. Okay. I'm glad I decided to put this little work board down. I hope I'm in frame. Push it up a little bit. How does that look? Now I'm out of frame. Okay, we'll compromise. Okay. So, yeah, this is a new experience for me. There's so many things I have yet to try that so many of you out there have tried and, you know, used, and so this is exciting. All right, let's see. Nope. Go a little bit better here along the edges. I'm probably overkilling in some areas, and then I think this still has to. All right, that's better. That one came up a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. This piece right here. Okay, golly, I love this. These are so pretty. All right, now I had a third one. Where did the third one go? I don't know. I had a third. Oh, here it is. All right, I think which is the one? I think this one, and then I'm going to take that small firefly. I keep calling them fireflies. I'm going to take the larger firefly. Dragonfly. And we'll use him. And then we'll get some lace on here. And then see what we think we want to do. The rest of it. Now, I think I want to go here. I think right there with this one. Make sure I get right down to the point of that stem. Okay. Get this up here and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and then this guy, we'll do this one. Ooh, and I got a butterfly. There's too many choices. Okay. All right. I may go back for the butterfly. I don't know. I want to do the lace first, and then we'll see what I think for this pretty journaling card. Like I said, I will put it back on it. I'll put some tea stained or coffee stained paper, coffee dyed paper. I'm going to put this guy right. Come on. I wanted the bigger one so you could see it better. Okay, right there. A little paddle here. A little spatula. I'm so intent on this, I stopped talking. Okay, let's see. This is just tickling me like you can't believe. Okay, so, what if I just did this? Put that over that like so. I got a little fold here, but I really like that. I really like that. But before we get started on that, let me, off camera, sorry. I want to ink the edges of this before I put the lace down. Okay. I think I want to do some significant, pretty deep in on these edges. So, sorry I'm off camera. But these sponges, when they start to come apart, they chip off all those little pieces. And then it makes a mess on everything. They get, you know, all over everything. So I'm gonna try. Okay, so I ink the edges there. Just go here just to be sure. Oh, this is so pretty. Let me cover this up. Okay, I'm just going to turn this way so that I can work on that. From my end. Come on, little bubble. You see how long it's taken to release the air? And the bottle is cold, so I really do think that that is my issue. I'll leave it on its side for right now. Okay. Doesn't appear to be a right or a wrong way here. So we'll go ahead with this. Put that there. Get my little snip shears here. Probably do better from the back. Now, I'm not generally one to do a lot with purple, but I like this. This is really nice. Certain purples. Okay, I think that is really, really pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead here. Get my bubble up. Getting my bubble up. Okay. Sticking to my fingers. Okay. And then I'll get this little guy. I don't mind shabby, but I do get upset about some stragglers here and there. All right, so I want to put it right up. I don't want to lose that braiding. I want it kind of right up near it. Okay. There we go. Take my trusty little snippers here. It's giving me a bit of an issue because it's still soft because I don't have the backing on it. But it will look very pretty when that's done. So that is that, unless I decide on something else somewhere. It's a possibility. I don't know what, but it is possible I may add something to that. But look at how pretty that came out with those rub-ons. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Funny thing is, in the camera, I can see this line. There's this dark line right here that I can barely see on the card. That's something. Look at that lace. I'll probably add pearls or something to it, but not right now because it's been an hour. So going through the things and looking at everything. So I'm going to lower the camera a little bit so you get a better look at that and these gorgeous things that she sent. And that, I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, that is that lovely tag made from this kit, this floral kit that that Amanda sent from your creative studio. So that's it for now, guys. Gonna be a busy week for me at work. Several, like maybe about at least 4 12-hour days and a day on either side with setting things up and knocking things down again for an event we're having or taking part in our town. So probably won't see me again this week, probably not until the following week. So, but in the meantime, be happy, be blessed, and be safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.